Sure. Basically, back in 2011, we put the Lexion Field Ready Reconditioned program together because we could see a surplus of used combines building up in the used market. So Claas went together and we put together the Lexion Field Ready program. Basically, every Claas combine that is traded into a Claas dealer, the first thing we do is pull engine and hydro oil samples so the customer can find out what's going on internally in that combine. Then we're going to do a 250-point inspection. That inspection is from the feeder house to the chopper, from the engine down to the undercarriage. A very thorough inspection. That inspection takes 7 to 8 hours for our technicians to complete. Once we complete that inspection, we'll identify what do we need to do to this combine to make it field ready, reconditioned, ready to go back to the field for the next customer. After we finish that work order, close the work order and finish all the work, then we're going to put a 100-hour systems care protection plan on that combine. So that combine, so the buyer has confidence and security knowing he's buying a used combine with a 100-hour protection plan. And by the way, we can also upgrade that protection plan to a 1-year unlimited hour protection plan as well. So if a person is buying a $50,000 used combine or a $350,000 used combine, he's going to have that protection plan so he feels confident going to the field. The reason we've done this, basically the recondition program, is because we wanted to get our inventory back in check to a manageable level for all of our dealers. If you look at all of our competitors, they're doing the same thing. Ever since we've come out with this program in 2011, in 2013, all of our manufacturer competitors come out with their own program as well to try to watch what we were doing in the marketplace. So basically, the main thing the consumer has to understand is when you buy one brand new combine, when you make that retail, that generates 2.3 trades. So you went from 1 to 2 and almost 2.5 trade-ins. So our dealers have to be very aggressive when they're putting the trade numbers on the combines. We want to put the combines back in field ready condition so they're ready to go back to the field. We want to get our dealers to a manageable level, to a 1-to-1 level, so they're able to handle that used inventory and still continue to sell new. Because if a dealer gets too heavy on used inventory, he's going to slow down selling his new inventory. We want to continue to build market share and build parts and service business for our customers. You go through Illinois, Iowa, up through Wisconsin, the crops look very good. The yields hopefully are going to be very, very good. The commodity price isn't where we want it to be, but we don't have a control of that. All we can control is what we have right now. I think in the next 12 to 18 months, you're going to see things level off. And as long as Claas continues to support our dealers and our dealers continue to support their customers with programs like this, we'll work our way out of this. If you're ever looking for a used Lexion combine, a pre-owned Lexion combine, go to our website at harvestingworld.com. So in other words, every Claas dealer that sells Lexion combines is a member of Harvesting World. And this way it'll funnel you directly to Harvesting World, and all you'll see is all of our Claas dealers' inventory, if they're competitive trade-ins or Lexion Field Ready combines, as well as our Lexion lease return combines. So Claas Financial Services, we lease combines for 2 or 3 years to customers, then those combines come back in and we will run those lease returns back into the same process, just like our recondition program for our dealers. And they can contact me directly and I handle all the lease returns throughout North America.